Well, welcome to Miley and me. My name is Dwayne. This little one behind me is Miley. So we got a different kind of day today, guys. We're going to start the walk off with shoveling of our driveway with this winter storm. We're going to have to do it in shifts, I think, today to keep up with the snow. Then we're going to head out for our daily dog walk with Miley, and I'm really glad you're here to join us. Here we go. Okay, Miley. First we have to shovel, and then we're going to go for the walk. Okay? Come on, let's do it.
Go on, Miley. Go on, baby.
She really doesn't know what to do.
She's like, I'm not sure what's happening.
She's got her boots on. She's got her coat on. She's a little weird out. I'm just gonna tie Miley to a tree outside while I shovel, so she's good and safe.
Yes. Have
That's
fun.
Cassie's suggestion, by the way.
I keep you on track, babe.
Yeah. Bye.
We're supposed to get like a major dumping today. I'm sure anyone who lives in like Ontario or parts of the States, there's something like 9,000 airline flights canceled because of this snowfall that's expected. Look how high the snow is. Dwayne has to clip her around the tree so high up because there's so much snowfall. Anyways, they were originally saying we're going to get like 20 to 23 centimeters. Now they're saying it's going to be more like 35 to 40 centimeters. So that's over a school ruler length, right? Like we're going to get over a foot of snow. And yeah, so Dwayne is taking off layer number 1 of the snow for our family. Thank you, honey.
Okay.
Okay.
We got a little helper out here. Hey, got a little. Oops, sorry. Blowing around, and it's only going to continue to be blustery. So I know this is going to be a thing we have to revisit quite a bit. I fully expect when we come back from our walk, we'll have to shovel yet again. So the other day I was out here with Miley doing a bit of shoveling. Granted, it was... Watch out, sweetie. Watch out, sweetie. There we go. And it was more in the evening, and there was no one out and about. I had Miley kind of on the porch, and I was keeping watch for her that she wouldn't you know, chase anyone or whatever. She stayed on the porch. So that was my thinking initially of not having to connect her up to the tree. But I think Cassie's showing some wisdom there. To Olive. Tie her up to the tree. So yeah, if they're saying we might get a good... Say that for the walk. Blows right back at you. Whew. It is windy. It's like shoveling snow on your face. Okay, that's enough for now. We will get Miley out for this walk. All right, sweetie, let's get you out for this walk now, okay? What a good girl you are, Miley. Hey, what a good girl you are. Yeah. Okay, Miley. Let's get our camera on. Okay, let me first get you unhooked. Unhook Miley from the tree. And actually, I'm going to... You know what, I'll get you hooked up on this leash. I don't normally take Miley for walks with the extendable leash anymore around the neighborhood, but today I think we'll do that. Just I don't expect many people out here, to be honest, guys, and we'll see if that was a good decision or not. But here we go. Okay, Miley. At long last, sweetheart, let's go. Let's go for our walk today. Oh, Miley, no. Right away, she's gonna jump. Okay, let's go by this way. It's very blustery. Come on, Miley. This way. So to make sure that I could enjoy the walk as much as possible with Miley, I not only am wearing the the extra layers, but I broke out the snow pants, and so I was anticipating having to be in the snow with Miley, and so there you go. That's okay, Miley. Yeah, she's really not a fan of the boots still, but I can see a few signs of her starting to reluctantly adjust. Here, she's walking right beside me here. What a sweetie. Oh yeah. I'm not sure how much Cassie said at the beginning, but I was watching, we have a news channel, CP24, that it's more, Toronto, but it's GTA area, and it's, they give updates on news and weather and that kind of stuff. And of course, the weather is the news right now around here, and they said that Toronto, Mississauga, Brampton area, and we're Caledon, so we're north of Brampton, but they said those areas anyway are going to potentially get up to 35 to 40 centimeters of snow, and so yeah, we'll see. If that's truly the case, then I don't expect that we'll be working tomorrow. Like I'm a postman, guys, so I work for the post office, and I don't think if we get that much snow overnight, I think the city won't be able to clear the snow in time for us to work. So I will be prepared to work anyway, but because I'll have to at least report into work and see what's going on. But if the streets aren't clear, I can't see how they can send us out, because we're just gonna get stuck. Funny when you when you start with the post office, they tell you do not go into a parking lot if you're doing the business, if you have a business route. If the parking lots aren't clear with snow, so do not go in, because we cannot. I think one of our boots is a little slack at the back. Here, can I tighten this up? Because it said we can't tow you out. Well, it's okay. It's a little flappy. It's okay. Here he is. So yeah, they said we can't tow you out, and they don't have tow trucks, and all the tow trucks would be busy with civilians anyway. So come on, Mike, come on. Oh, you undid your strap. Hey, wait, stop. Tighten up your strap here. Maybe I didn't do it up well enough, or she pulled it off. I don't know. Okay. There you go. Nice thing is with snow pants, I can just kneel right down in the snow. All right, come on. Well, we'll just go around the block today. I mean, we're not out here to prove anything, right? But it's fun for you guys to see part of the winter storm. Come on, Maddie, come, calm. Come on. So if you haven't seen it, we posted a video of how we tire Miley out on days like this when it's too cold to walk. In that case, it was at the end of the night, and you know, we just didn't have it in us to take her out in that cold. So we played the stairs game, and it was only the one angle. Maybe we'll do another video showing my perspective upstairs, and you can see what she does. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was just a little something we wanted to show you a bit more behind the scenes of Miley. Come on, come. Now I'm thinking about doing a collection of, I'm anxious to see what you guys think of this, to see if you guys would find value in this or not. But I was considering doing a collection once a week of Miley's videos, Miley's walk, like a culmination of all the weeks, or all the days of the week, you know, starting with Monday and going all to Sunday, and then doing a collection and putting them all together. My. Oh, I see, she's pulling the Velcro. Because I know that most of our walks are about 25 minutes, and I know that there are some of you out there that that you would like to. I'm just going to tighten this up. Oh, sweetie, thank you. She gave me her paw. Okay, honey, I'm sorry I'm not getting this very tight for you. Hopefully that's better, okay? Oh, sweetheart, yes, that's okay. But anyway, I thought because some of you you play videos while you're doing something. Hello. Only the dog walker's out today. Hey. Oh, that's a cute sweater. Have a good one. Come on, my. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Hey. We don't have to be that way. Miley. So all the good I did from that Velcro was all come undone. Okay. That Velcro obviously has to be fixed. Miley. Don't you guys want more of this in your life? Come on, Miley. Sweetie, come on. Oh, she came right out of the boots. Okay, let me, didn't do a very good job here, Miley, did I? Oh, good. Oh, her boot is filled with snow, guys. Oh, Miley, I'm so sorry, sweetie. We're trying to protect you from snow, and we... Okay. Oh. So, yes, as you can see, Miley is such a gentle soul. I know that our neighbors probably think she's the wild and crazy dog, but you guys know different. You see how gentle she is. You see putting on her boots. Right? You okay? Hopefully that's better. Let me feel your other. Yeah, there's no snow in there. Okay, I'm gonna tighten this up. Hopefully I'll keep it on a bit better. Okay, snowy face. Oh, sweetheart, I love you. You're so nice. Here we go. Okay, I'm not sure if I finished my thought, guys, so forgive me if I'm repeating myself, but yeah, I know some people are looking for a little bit more long form, that when you're out doing things around the house or whatever, you have the video playing in the background. So I can test it out, see what you guys think. Please let me know if it's something you guys, you know, that might end up. Did another boot come off? Oh my goodness, we're never gonna get anywhere. Oh, once again, there's snow. Okay. You know, I might end up just taking these boots off today, guys. I don't know. I'm really glad I dressed for this, because I would be frustratingly cold right now if I was trying to help her out and deal with the cold. I'll be honest with you guys, I felt so accomplished putting these boots on. I didn't film it, but I was feeling really, really good about it, and I clearly didn't do a very good job. I'm sorry, Miley. You're very tolerant. There we go. Okay, let's try tightening this up. Look at Dwayne go with the big gloves and all. Better double check everybody. Make sure we're good. Okay. This one here. Okay, let's try that again. So, all right, there we go. Anyway, so some longer form Miley videos coming your way, and we'll see what you guys think. I mean, if they're at least half-hour a day, I mean, that's gonna be a couple hours anyway, for sure. Right. I'm glad I dressed for this. You can see there's a fair amount of people that are doing what we're doing, just doing snow removal in little shifts to lighten the load. Where are you going? You okay? That's I know a lot of these people along here. We've seen they have snow blowers too, so they also might be just thinking that we'll hit it when the wind stops. Because I can imagine with the snow blower, that you're just blowing snow around at that point. That's okay. So I'll figure it out. Okay, and now Miley's feeling a bit more comfortable walking out front. Anyway, my default is to just let her out on the extendable leash, right? And I have to remember, I do have the control. I can actually keep it tighter. I can keep her closer to me, just because we have the option of letting her go farther. It doesn't mean we have to. Come on, Miley. Hello. Doing okay. How about you?
Getting exercise.
I'm sure. I see your TTC coat. Are you working today? I see your TTC coat. Are you working today? Oh yeah. Oh, we wanted. That's okay. Was he working today? Miley, stop, please. Hey.
He just had knee surgery.
Okay, so he's not having to drive in this?
He said he wanted to come out, and I said no.
No, I just think for driving. I mean, it'd be a rough day driving in this.
Well,
You know.
he's an instructor now.
Oh, good for him.
He used to be an operator.
Okay.
Yeah, but he still has to. I said to him.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of horrible. If I got called.
Yeah.
I did because it's 1 month to become an operator. They take them out in bad weather. He said 30 centimeters. They probably wouldn't. They switch a classroom.
Sure. Well, I guess they need training, right?
Driving.
Sure. Oh, isn't that something? Wow.
So I
Well.
couldn't find my snow pants. And I'm like, okay, this is
Yeah.
an old jacket.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Apparently he's like, they changed it from blue to black.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, let me put on your snow pants. And I said, hey, do I look like a TTC employee?
Well, I'm a postal worker.
Oh, are
So
you?
yeah. So I'm not sure if I'll be working tomorrow or not, because if they can't clear the roads, right, we can't get out. But yeah, the good thing about my coat, it's unfortunately it's yellow, so it's too bright, but at least it's very warm.
He has the yellow one for rain.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
It's funny how warm they are because I'm sweating.
Remarkably warm. Yeah, I will say you might be uncomfortable because of the conditions, but you're warm.
Yeah.
You know?
I was surprised.
So-
Because he's like, put on my jacket, put on the snow pants. And then when I couldn't find my snow pants,
Yeah.
he's like, go put on my snow pants.
Indeed. Well, all the best to your husband. Hope he heals up quick. All right. Okay. Take care. My. Hey, stop, sweetheart. Thanks. You too. My. Hey, Miley, please stop. Come on, sweetie. Let's go. That's not very nice, eh? That's not being a very nice neighbor. No. Come on, sweetie. I just double checked that my microphone was still attached. I remember Miley and I going out for a snowy walk when I first got the microphone, and it's this DJI microphone. I will say, guys, if you or have any need for a microphone like this for this kind of work, I do recommend the DJI. We have the Mini, and it has a feature that you can, with a magnet, you can connect it onto your shirt, sort of thing, and so the microphone hangs on the outside of your shirt, and that's the option I was trying when I first had it, and the magnet wasn't quite strong enough for my winter coat. Imagine that. It felt strong enough, but it wasn't. So I used there's a clip on the back of the microphone. That's what's clipped to my coat right now. That I will say, I do like the results of the microphone. I think it sounds better. Sorry, Apple, but the DJI microphone is for these walks. The microphone on the iPhone is incredible for most times, but I find for what we're trying to do, we need something a little extra. Hey, Miley, you want to go crazy? You know what? No, I'm not. I was just going to. Let's go home. I was thinking about going around the pond, but you know what? While we're here, let's take a look at the pond. But I'm thinking if well, these guys are driving pretty quick for a snowy day. Usually people that have 4x4s think that they can drive as fast as they want. They forget that they still have to stop. You may have traction, you might get going really well, but you know. But oh boy, heard some horns up there. Someone's not happy. Problem is, in this kind of conditions, you can't see where the lanes are, and so it becomes a little tricky. But yeah, I was going to go around the pond there for a little bit, but I'm thinking at the rate she's doing with her boots, they're going to be full of snow, and they're going to come off, and I don't want to be uncomfortable. But I still want you guys to see how beautiful. Come on, sweetie. How beautiful the pond can be on a winter day. Come on. I'm glad I wore the snow pants. It's thanks for. This is actually fun. Come on. Miley's not having fun with her boots, but sweetie, come on. Please ignore them. Hey, come on. She just keeps stopping. She's great when she forgets about them. And we're gonna stick to the sidewalk here, Miley. Okay? Come on. So yeah, we're really getting it for weather. This is the second snowstorm in 2 weeks, I guess. I've had 4. I've been with Canada Post going on 6 years now, and hey Miley, stop, please. There we go. That's the pond, and I've only had 4 snow days the whole time, and there's been years where we didn't have a snow day at all, and had one already this year, and I anticipate one tomorrow. But Miley, please. Do you guys have any suggestions of getting her to stop pulling on her boots? Please let me know. I don't know if I have to get some more Velcro strips or something that will help. Because the bobbles, as you can see, the adjustments and stuff on the side, I'm sure are flapping around, and she's all too aware of them. I think what she... Oh boy, there's wind. The only thing cold right now is my face. I've mentioned how much I hate wearing the balaclava, the whole face covering and everything for the cold, because the only thing that's exposed is your eyes. But on Friday, the wind had picked up so much when I'm working that my eyes just burned. They were... Okay, Miley, I'm gonna pick you up over the snow bank here. We're gonna have no problem crossing because there's so few cars out here. Okay, let me pick you up. I wish you guys could see how cute this is. Okay, sweetie, let me carry you. Oh, this jack wagon's going way too fast. Okay, sorry guys. All you people out there screaming at me right now. That was no car was close to us. Please don't, I did not put Miley in jeopardy or myself, but that guy was going too fast for my comfort. Let me just say that. Okay, we're almost home, baby. You'll get these boots off. Well, guys, the ending of the walk got cut off. The camera ended up freezing up 5 minutes before it ended. So if you guys haven't yet subscribed, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on another daily walk with Miley and me. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you all again tomorrow. Take care, guys.
I knew we'd be friends from the start. We do everything together, can't keep us apart. When days are happy or skies are blue, everything is better when I'm with you, with my friends.